You're watching Burnt Rubber.
That's a Jeep car cap right there, baby!
What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. I have a lot of good news today. So as you can see, the R8 is back. That's right guys, it just came back from Sheepey race just last night at 11 p.m. I hopped in the car, it is driving amazing. So we're gonna hop in the car and we're gonna go somewhere. And here's another bit of good news as to where we're going. So yesterday I was making a drone video for one of my buddies for one of his listings in the area. And as I was flying the drone, the battery was dying and the drone was on its way back. It ran out of batteries and it did an emergency landing. And I was trying to figure out where it landed and I couldn't figure it out. Well, this morning I hopped in the app and I'm like, it has to tell you in the app where it is. And sure enough, it did. So I'm driving back 45 minutes to the same spot we were at, to the exact location of the drone, and fingers crossed that it's still there. I can't even tell you just how good it feels to be in the R8 again, driving it again. Don't get me wrong, the RS5, awesome car, super luxurious, and it's fast, but I forgot how fast a fast car really is. And this car is so freaking fast. We're gonna do some pulls here as soon as the engine warms up. I didn't even put my foot down all the way. I put it down maybe like half of the way. Oh my. We get another red light here. I guess I'll do another pull, because that was absolutely insane. Maybe this time I'll put my foot down all the way. We'll see. It was saying that we were losing traction there a little bit too. That pull was absolutely insane. We got another freaking red light here. Gosh. Well, I guess I'm gonna do it one more time. That just pulls. It wants to keep going and going and going. Oh my God, that was insane. And it makes me feel like I'm out of breath. So here we are pulling up to the location of the drone. My biggest fear is that somebody might have taken it. So fingers crossed that it's there, but this is nowhere near. Oh, it's in a gated community and the gate just closed. No. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the good news is it's in a gated community, so hopefully nobody took it. The bad news is it's in a gated community and I have no way in. We are literally right down the street from the drone's location, and I'm sitting here in front of this gated community. I've seen 3 people leave and I've seen nobody enter. So I'm just kind of sitting here waiting for someone to enter. There's a call box over there. I don't know if there's an office that I could call, but the thing is what do I say? Hey, I was flying my drone and I lost it somewhere in your community. You know what I mean? Like, I don't think they would let me in for that. So I'm just gonna chill here and just wait for a car to come in, and I'm just gonna follow them in. We have success. We just made it in. Okay, so it says it's right up in here. I'm not seeing it. Hopefully nobody took it. Let's see here. I'm not seeing it anywhere around here. Let's take a look at this. It was headed like right around here. I'm gonna go inside to the office and ask them if anybody took it. Well, I may have officially lost my drone. It's not in the spot that's on the map. And I went inside to the office building. They haven't seen it. Nobody picked it up and returned it. They said, oh, go ask the landscapers. So I'm gonna drive around, see if I can find the landscaper, see if anyone picked it up. But it should have been in the bushes over there, and it's not. So we'll see. Fingers crossed, guys. Fingers crossed. I really want to get my drone back. I don't know if you could see that truck driving away, but it was the landscapers in the neighborhood. They had it. I've got the drone. Here, let me pull over, because I was like in the middle of the street. Let me pull over. The drone is here in all its glory. I am so freaking happy. I thought this thing was like gone for good. I was driving and I saw these guys. I drove down to him. I was like, hey, have you guys seen a drone? He was like, drone? Yeah. Walks around to his truck, pulls it out. He goes, he found it in pieces on the ground. So I'm assuming like the battery pack fell out, because it died when it was about 6 feet in the air. So it just came down hard.
How can I get started for you?
Hi, can I get 3 McChicken sandwiches, 3 medium fries, and then 3 Cokes, and that'll do it? Guys, treat your friends. I'm literally on my way to Clarity, and I figured I would bring Jared and Michael some lunch. Treat your friends, man. Take care of the people that take care of you.
Oh, shit. That looks like a twin turbo R8 if I've ever seen one. What's up, Jeff? Jeffrey!
What up?
Are you happy?
I am.
I can tell. You're like a giddy little schoolgirl right now. I haven't seen you with a camera in your hands for quite some time, to be honest.
I'm so happy that...
What the hell do you want?
I brought you guys lunch.
Oh, in that case, I mean, hey!
Oh, what?
Hey.
What?
Dude, the car looks really good. The paint looks really good.
I know. I don't think I want to wrap it. I want to put some accents.
Oh, I kind of did it.
I want to do some like accents.
Let's just do the pillar black. It makes it look lower too. Haven't you seen the black two-tones?
Yes.
It looks sick.
Oh.
Gloss black on the wheels, of course.
Here we go.
Need to change that.
Gloss black on your teeth. Yeah, gloss black wheels, or maybe like a dark bronze.
Oh, that'd be hot.
I think dark
The blue.
Yeah.
That would remind me of almost like a.
STI.
I didn't want to say it, and you'd be like, "Don't call it an STI," but kind of that like World Rally Blue STI.
Yeah, I know.
It's
I'm
iconic. It looks good.
Yeah.
Got a little.
Ruben, do that again.
This is so cool. Bro, you're starting engine. Dude, it's literally on the steering wheel, bro. Like, that is
Hey, say
sick.
something like, "You're watching Burnt Rubber."
You're watching Burnt Rubber.
Ooh, I love it.
Ruben's gonna start vlogging with you, bro.
You should. Oh, that's a red light.
You legally don't have to stop at these, you know that, right? It's a good launching Oh, shit. See a fresh pavement?
Oh,
there you go.
Nice.
There you go. It's so smooth too. Sheesh.
Okay, that was... And there you have it. The R8 is back. I am so happy. It feels great to be driving it again. I just love having a car like this as my daily driver. It is so much fun. A little expensive at the gas pump, but I am a-okay with that. So in other news, I want to let you guys know that I'm actually starting up an exotic car rental business. The first car I'm going to be getting is a Lamborghini Huracan. I'm in the process of purchasing it right now, so hopefully I'll have it within the next couple weeks or so. I'm going to be sending that car to New York, where I will be renting it out for $1,800 a day. Eventually I'm going to expand to other parts of the country, eventually to Northern California where I live, so I'll be able to rent cars out to you guys who live in this Northern California area with me. With all of that being said, this video is done. We're wrapping up here. So thanks so much for stopping by my channel, and thank you for watching today's video. I'm out.